What's up, guys? We're back, and we're back on the 64. Last time we worked on this, we did front brakes, and I said we'll be back next week, but it's been about 50 weeks, I think. So progress has been made. If you want to go check out that video just to get caught up, I have a playlist on this car, so do that. We've gone a little further without recording, but not too much. In the last video, we were waiting on some tranny mounts, which are in. Everything's in, front end's done, brakes are done. Of course, we're gonna have to bleed them. And I think today we're gonna work on getting the rear brakes and just getting this thing back on all fours. After that, we gotta do oil cooler seals on the motor, and that's all the motor needed. I have tested it. I have a short of it running, but it was just pissing oil. So we'll get that done and just make this thing a roller, and then we're gonna get on the body eventually. So this is where we're at with the rear brakes. I got the wheel cylinders in. It's just two 14mm bolts in the back that hold it in. Right now, I got these adjusters popped out. I'm gonna get the adjusters popped out on the other side, and then we're just gonna clean them up. I like to run a tap through them and chase the threads on them just so they're easy to adjust. Let's get it. Buttery. All right, so adjusters are all cleaned up and back in. Got some anti-seize on them. And what we're gonna do next is assemble the pads, springs, get the e-brake set up. Got the passenger side down. We reused all the e-brake components from the old brakes, and we'll do the same on the other side. I'll show you a little bit more on how you install those. And I think in my last video on this car I joked around about this tool, and this is the first time I've used one, and it really is a game changer, so don't sleep on it. So the e-brakes on these things are pretty straightforward. You have the pad, you always want this slot up, and then basically you're gonna grab your arm, put it in that top hole. You have this pin here. Get it through, like so. And then pop your clip in. I'll hammer that on, and we'll get it thrown in the car. All right, so both sides of the brakes are done. We got drums on, axle nut, cotter pins. Last thing we got to do with the brakes is just run these last hard lines and connect them to the soft lines, and obviously bleeding, but we're not going to do that. We're just trying to get it rolling for now. So let's get that done. Good job. Now back here, come over here. Ready? Go. Where's your foot? Watch your foot. Whoa. Now back. That's it. Good job.
Yay!
All right, guys, the pan is back on all fours and with a little help pushed to the side, which means now that that's done and the shop's a little cleaner, I could finally get my car back in. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm real excited to be back in the garage, working on these projects with a little more space than we're used to. We're coming up to that 1K subscriber mark, which, as I've mentioned, has been my goal since I started doing this thing. So if you're not subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I would appreciate it. I'm gonna try to get another video out this week of doing the oil cooler gaskets on the motor for this car and putting it in the, connect it back up to the transmission. I appreciate you guys for watching. Leave me a comment down below, letting me know if that's something you guys want to see. But with that being said, we'll see you next time.